dashboard concept. Now, when you actually open a CNA, so on the left side, the sidebar will show you all the different screens or the forms that you need to fill out. Okay, so sites, unit types. I'm not going to go into every single screen, but this is where you enter data. So the site, for example, if you want to add a new site, you click that button, go ahead and fill that out. And once all the required data fields are completed, you can click Save New Site. Okay, so similarly, you just go down the list. So these are kind of the, in the old assessment tool Excel file, you have the tabs at the bottom, right? So this is essentially just that. These are different tabs of different information that you need to fill out for CNA. So that's kind of the view that you have, okay, once you open a CNA. Now on the sidebar here, you also notice the validation tab here. So, right now, what do you do if you want to validate, you go to a public validation portal, right? And you upload your Excel file, you validate, every time you see the results. But, that takes several steps. In the new e-tool, okay, as you are filling out different data and working with the CNA, you can go ahead and click validate at any point, right? So, the validate is literally just a one click away right here. And you can go to the validation tab to see all the results from the validation. The CNA doesn't have much data, so you're not seeing a lot of these, but to see the future needs, financial schedule, and you also have access to a couple of reports here.
So like in the current e-tool, we have to address all the severe, the warning, and the informational flags before they're submitted ahead?
Yeah, that's still the same.
Okay.
So if you're a needs assessor, you would probably go to the severe. Because first of all, you should get rid of all the severe flags, right? Because then otherwise your lender cannot submit them. So you're going to go ahead and address these. Warning flags and information flags, you probably want to enter some information here or suggestions, some answers for your lender to pass along to us.